Our final lab for the line type is to set the line type to an object. So let's see our method. I have created here a method called set line type to object. It has the same code structure, and in here we created a block table because we are going to create a new line object, and we also derived the block table record. So we created 2 points so that we can draw a single line. Now that we have the line object, all we have to do is ln.type the line type and then specify the line type name, hidden. So now our line should have a hidden line type. Then we append it to our block table record and then add into our transaction and then commit the transaction. Okay, so same thing when we've done the layer, it's just ln.layer and then specify the layer name. So this line type is also similar. All you need to do is you have to know that this particular line type exists in AutoCAD. So let's save our project and do a rebuild. Okay. Now let us load our plugin. So our line is basically from 0, 0 to 100, 100. So we should see it somewhere. Just create a zoom extents. It's somewhere here, from this lower left corner to somewhere here. Let us run our method. Set line type to object. Yep, there you go. This is our line here. If I zoom in, this should have a line type of hidden. See? So to adjust the scale, all you have to do is type in the scale. I think it's 1, make it a 10. There you go. So that's about it for setting the line type to an object. Just type in the object name and then line type and specify the line type here. Alright, so that's about for our line type labs. In the subsequent videos, we're going to explore the styles, text styles. I'll see you there.